Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you the new option that we have in chamfer recognition that allows you to ignore chamfered edges. If we take a close look at this particular part, you'll note that we have sharp edges going around over here. And in this corner, we have one that is chamfered. So when we do chamfer recognition, we may want to put chamfers onto these edges, but we want to ignore this. We also have the same thing over here. When I take the part, I don't want to put chamfers on this edge because this already has one. Now, these over here will be fine, but you'll also note that this surface here is hitting this at an angle. I may not want to put a chamfer over here. We'll also note if we take a look at the top view of the part, you'll see that these areas over here, this is at an actual angle towards this floor over here. The same thing over here. So we may not want to put a chamfer on those edges. This one, however, is completely sharp. So what we've added now in our chamfer recognition is the following. We'll start chamfer recognition, and when we define our geometry, we've added the option of ignore floor wall angles less than whatever value we put in over here. So for example, if the floor to wall angle in this particular case is less than 90 degrees, you will ignore those edges. So now when I click on the part, you'll note the following. It recognized these edges over here. This it did not pick up. These edges were not chosen as well as this particular edge over here. The same thing over here. These edges, because there's a chamfer on it, was ignored as well as over here, and also this edge was also ignored because of this angle. If I wanted to put a chamfer in any case on these edges over here and this one over here and this one over here, so we'll delete what I have over here and I'll change my 90 to say 80 degrees. So now when I click on the part, you'll note that these edges as well as this one over here were chosen, and this was chosen as well, but you'll note the actual chamfered edges, such as these which are at 45 degrees, were not chosen, and those will not be worked on in chamfer recognition. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and click on our SolidCAM Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.